Alright, let's look at the homework 3.5, problem number 5. Alright, so we want to find x prime from this equation x cubed plus t cubed x plus t to the 6th plus 5 equal to 0. Then evaluate the x prime at the point -2, -2. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so we can just simply alright, so we can simply take the derivative of both sides with respect to t, because we're taking a derivative with respect to t. So you have x cubed plus t cubed x plus t to the 6th power plus 5 is equal to derivative of 0 with respect to t. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so since you're taking a derivative with respect to t, so take the regular derivative first, which is 3x squared, but you have to multiply by dx over dt. Alright, then we have two things multiplied together. So this is the first guy, this is the second guy. So I'm going to use the product rule. So derivative of t cubed, the first guy is 3t squared, times the second guy, which is just going to be x, plus, and first guy is t cubed. Then multiplied by derivative of x would be dx over dt. Alright, then t to the 6th power with respect to x, so it's going to be 6t to the 5th power. And then derivative of 5 is 0 since it's a constant. And the derivative of 0 is 0 as well because it's a constant. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to collect all the terms that's dx over dt in it. Right, so and I'm gonna combine those guys together and factor it out. So we have dx over dt. Then we'll have 3x squared and also t cubed. Right, so we have 3x squared plus t cubed. Right there. Right, then I'm going to move these terms over to the other side. Right, so we can do that by subtracting 3t squared x and also 6t to the 5th power. So we're going to get negative 3t squared x minus 6t to the 5th power. Right, and if you want, we can probably factor out the negative 3t squared from there, and we have x there. Right, negative 3 and negative 6, so positive 2, and t squared pulled out of t to the 5th, so it's a t cubed left over. Alright, then we can isolate dx over dt by dividing through by 3x squared plus t cubed. Right? Right, so we have dx over dt is equal to, right, you have negative 3t squared times x plus 2t cubed all over 3x squared plus t cubed. Alright, so we got that. So let's type it in. Alright, so what we got was, so that's a fraction. So negative 3t squared and times x plus 2t cubed, right, over 3x squared plus t cubed. Right? Oh, actually, that's not what I want. Plus t cubed. Alright, so let's check the answer. Alright, so we got that. Alright, so we just want to evaluate this guy at -2 comma -2. So we just have to plug in x equals -2 and y equals -2. So dx over dt evaluated at -2 comma -2. Right, so this is going to be, right, so you have -3, right, t is -2 squared. Then we have x, which is -2, plus 2 times t -2 cubed, all over, right, 3 times -2 squared plus -2 cubed. Right, so what you're gonna get is, let's see, so you have -3 times, right, -2 squared, so it's a 4, so it's -12, right, times, right, -2 plus, right, this is -8 and times 2, so -16 minus 2, so it's going to be -18. Right, all over, right, so this is going to be, let's see, -2 squared, 4, times 3 is 12, plus, actually, minus 8, so 12 minus 8, so that's going to be 4, right, so we can cancel 4 and 12, so that's going to have 3 left. And you have a negative times negative is going to be positive, right? So you have 3 times 18 is 3 times 8 is 24, and 3 times 1 is 3, so 54, right? So this is going, we got the 54, 54, right? So let's check. All right, we got that. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.